mon ami de tous les jours.
Jésus est mon ami de tous les jours.
Jésus est mon ami de tous les temps.
Jésus est mon ami de tous les jours.
Jésus est mon ami de tous les jours.
Jésus est mon ami de tous les jours.
Il est mon ami,
De tous les
il
jours.
est ton ami,
De tous les
il
jours.
est son ami,
De tous les
il
jours.
est notre ami, il est mon sauveur, il est mon roi, il est mon sauveur, il est mon rédempteur, il est mon Seigneur, il est mon roi. Yemba yemba yemba, yemba yemba yemba, yemba yemba yemba, yemba yemba yemba, loué loué loué, loué loué.
Now this Frankie May here once again. I did this cover on key G, do re mi fa sol la ti do, but I played it on the 10th fret of the A string. Okay, it's very simple because of how I wanted the intensity of the bass line. Okay, so I applied trials here, I applied trials here. Okay, I applied trials to create the bass line that you heard. Okay, so if you don't know about trial, kindly tap the link in the description. It will send you straight to the lesson I did on trials. Okay, the part 1 and the part 2 of it, and then I also did a lesson on how to play Soukous or Makossa on progression do fa so fa. Okay, now this particular song progression goes like this: do fa do so do fa do so. So the first bass line, applying the trials, I played do mi do so fa do do mi so fa la fa. Okay, like this: do mi so fa la fa. Okay, fa la fa. Okay, then do mi so, then so ti so. Okay, it's like a chord. Okay, so ti so. Okay, so ti so. So do mi so fa la fa, do mi so ti so, do mi so fa la fa, do mi so ti so. Okay, that was the first bass line that I played, and in the second bass line I also played the second bass line. I slided to the do. Okay, I slided to the do on the higher register here. Okay, on the higher register here. Okay, so I play. Okay, do 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 di la, do 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 di la so, do 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 di la so. Okay, do 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 di la so, do 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 di la so fa la fa. Okay, fa la fa. Then I played so do so la, so di so, so di so do. Okay, then I played do 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 di la so fa la fa, so do so la, so di so do. Okay, so di so do. So do 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 di la so fa la fa. Then I played so do so la, so di so do. So okay, so basically that was the second bass line I played. Okay, and in the third bass line I played do mi so fa fa so, do mi la re so, do mi so, fa, fa, so, do, mi, la, re, so, do, mi, so, fa, fa, so, do, mi, la, re, so, do, mi. Okay, it's very simple. So basically, this is what I did in the song. Okay, it's very simple. Now, I've created a Telegram group. I have to be putting in PDFs and stuff regarding the trials that I taught you and skills. Okay, if you haven't joined that group, kindly click on the link in the description. It will take you straight to that page. I haven't uploaded anything there. Okay, so just tap on it and very soon I'll start uploading these contents there. Okay, so this ends our lesson today. Okay, kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you and have a wonderful day. It's bye for